Hey, thanks for logging on to this video blog. I'm FOX6 Meteorologist Tom Wachs. I want to talk to you today a little bit about snow forecasting. When we're forecasting snow, moisture is critical. Let me show you something called the snow to liquid ratio, as this is something that we look a lot at here when we're forecasting snow. On average, an average snow event in our area would yield a 10-to-1 snow to liquid ratio. Now, what that means is if we had 1 inch of liquid forecast within a system, if it were to fall as all liquid at 1 inch, that would equate to 10 inches of snow. Another way to look at it would be if you had 10 inches of snow fall in that average environment and you melted it all down, you would get 1 inch of liquid water out of it. So that's pretty telling, isn't it? That there isn't a ton of moisture in snow. Now, we do have events where we get very wet snow, right? And that would be anywhere maybe 5-to-1 or an 8-to-1 event. So if you had 8 inches of snow in that very moisture-laden environment, you melt that down and that would become 1 inch of liquid water. Now, that's important because the heavy wet snow doesn't pile up as much. So you're actually going to get lower snowfall amounts with that very wet snow. Now in January and February in southeast Wisconsin, as you know, we tend to get very cold, very dry air masses in here. When we see that and we get snow falling in that atmosphere, a very low moisture environment, that's when we get the drier snow or the fluffier snow, and that will get us ratios between 15-to-1 and 25-to-1, and that dry fluffy snow will pile up a lot more. So we can actually see a whole lot more snow accumulation in the dry events than with the wet events. So when we're forecasting snow, we're looking at moisture, and we're often looking at how much liquid could come out of this system. If it were all liquid, then we're converting that into snow totals based upon how much moisture is with the system. Thanks again for logging on. I'm FOX6 Meteorologist Tom Wachs.